No parking on the streets on odd days.
Talking about snow plowing, that road that we turned, Pioneer Trail that we turned, or 71st Lane, that we turned down for repairs, there's a frost boil. And now, had that road been repaired, the frost boil would be gone. But now, when the plow hits the frost boil, if the plow don't break, all the tar is going on the guy's lawn, so.
It's already spreading all over the road.
Or all over the road. I'm just bringing that to your attention.
Where?
wasn't brought up in this.
No, it's on the curb. It's actually on the 71st side.
Well, that, no, this is part of the road, the $6,691 that,
No, I'm talking about the spring when they had road repairs.
They never did any of
they
those.
never did it. And that's why it was so key that we would have approved it last time, but majority council in their infinite wisdom decided to wait till next spring and let it ferment.
Yeah.
Well, we had plenty of information.
When did that frost boil
All kinds
occur?
of information.
But right now, there's no asphalt on the neighbor's lawn. That's kind of a scare tactic.
Plow would have to hit it.
Right, but it hasn't happened yet.
Oh, no.
No, it's in the road right now, not on the guy's lawn.
Similar to what Ninth River was fed up with the city of Greenfield. They're not going to do this road, and we're going to have to pursue litigation. Now we see a letter from the administrator that they fully intend to do it, and all that needed to
Well,
happen
you're
was-
extrapolating that, Mr. Leavitt. But see, the theory here regarding if there was enough
I'm not
snowfall,
extrapolating.
and if
I'm just
enough
saying
snowfall came and
scare
the snow truck is going down the road, they won't be able to see the frost boil because it will be covered up.
Why did it wait till
That
the
would
fall?
be that would be.
That's a good
When
question.
did that frost boil come up? Just this month?
No, it's been there, but
Well, so
because
then why wasn't it
we
brought
never
up
have
when it
time to
came
take
up?
we never have time to take care of business, Madam Mayor, because
It
we're too
wasn't brought
busy
Well,
with
that's who we.
many different issues.
Wasn't brought to our attention.
No, I never.
It was all in.
Well,
Then how did you get a bid on the product?
We have
on
one
fixing it?
public worker, Howard, working 30 hours a week.
Scare tactic.
We have one public employee, public works employee working 30 hours a
At
week.
that time, we had two in the spring.
Well, yeah, but when he finally gave us this stuff, it's only been him for the last, quite some time.
Should have done all
Okay.
the road projects at the same time.
You're right.
Okay, well, we're on this topic of the newsletter.
Oh, well, you are something else.
Okay, anything else for the newsletter?
Here's something.
No, I think we should urge people to be at the December 1st meeting. I think
Guys
that's,
fall and
well, we
yeah.
can't.
Right,
Yeah,
because that's
that would
a
be a good idea.
taxation meeting.